यो चाहिँ हाम्रो दुप्चेश्वर महादेव यहाँ माथि डाँडामा, डाँडा भन्दा पनि एउटा के भन्ने केभमा विराजमान हुनुहुन्छ। हामी अराउन्ड 6 घन्टा ड्राइभ गरेर काठमाडौँबाट यहाँ दुप्चेश्वर दर्शन गर्न आएका छौँ। यो दुप्चेश्वर नजिकै रहेको यो सानो खोला एकदमै सुन्दर देखिन्छ। अनि यो माथि बेली ब्रिज निकै मनमोहक र हाम्रा यहाँ दर्शनार्थीहरू हेर्नुहोला, मिसेस जयन्ती धिमाल एन्ड समर्थ, ज्ञानु धिमाल, हरि धिमाल एन्ड समग्र पाण्डे। हामी सबै बाइकमा आएका हौँ। बाटो भने एकदमै डेन्जर थियो, एकदमै खतरनाक बाटो थियो, तर हामी आइपुग्न सफल भएका छौँ र दर्शन गर्न सफल भएका छौँ। यो पानीमा हामी यहाँ भिज्दै, यो घाम लागेको गर्मी भएको मौसममा चिसो पानीमा गोडाहरू हाल्दै रमाउँदै बसिरहेको अवस्था। अब हामी यो बाटोबाट जानुपर्छ। यो बाटो, यो पानी क्रस गरेर, यो खोला तरेर हामी अगाडि बढ्छौँ र अगाडि सानोतिनो होटेलहरूमा खाना खाँदै फेरि हाम्रो काठमाडौँको यात्रा तय हुनेछ। साह्रै नै मनमोहक छ यो दुप्चेश्वर महादेव तीर्थधाम। साह्रै नै मनमोहक, प्राकृतिक सुन्दरताले भरिपूर्ण र छुट्टै एउटा विशेषता बोकेको दुप्चेश्वर महादेव आज हामी दर्शन गर्न पाउँदा धेरै खुसी छौँ। Beautiful, amazing place. You can see, you can hear the splashing sound of this stream just flowing nearby Dupcheshwar Mahadev temple, which is adding extra beauty to this temple. And it is 6 hours. It took 6 hours to reach here from Kathmandu, and maybe the same time we'll be taking to go back to Kathmandu. And it is really amazing place. You can see the natural beauty around here. The stream is so beautiful, so clear. The water is so clear you can even drink it. It is that clear. And you see the people, you see our kids. Yeah, he wants to catch fish also. Okay, let's go. See, he saw the fish on this water, on this stream, because it's so clear that you can see the fish which is swimming on the pond, on the water. It is so clear. You can also see some big mountains out there on the northern side, which are beautiful, and some on the very northern side you can see some of the snow-capped mountain, which are not really snow-capped mountain, but I think it is snowing out there. So you can see some snow-capped, semi-snow-capped mountains. It is beautiful place. I love it. We all love it. And it's time to go back now. It's time to go back to the dinner. Go back to the lunch. Go back to some snacks and heading back to again dangerous road to Kathmandu. Guys, see you then.